Okay.
We rolling?
We're rolling.
So first we want to get something to cradle the embers in.
So some bracken is good.
Yeah, something that's, or some grass, some good dry grass. You can just create a little bed in, and then we're going to go and get Banksia. So we preferably want one from on a tree because they're going to be drier. So this one here is ideal. Just, we don't need a big one, just something like that. And we'll just put that down there for a second. So we want to crush this up. There's usually a little hard centre, which we don't really need. So we'll just find that and get... It's where all of the really fine stuff is though, so that's the ideal for the in the middle. So we'll just get rid of our little
The hard bits.
furry stick in the middle.
Yep.
Get rid of that. And just... I find that the mixed worked really well, just having a mixture of fine and coarse. And then rubbing it together seems to really help because you get the more powdery sort of mix. So that already is a pretty good flammable mix. So we'll just pop that in the middle of our little thing. How are we going to do this? Maybe I'll break them up a bit more. Alright. Let's get that in the centre. You might need a bit more. Yeah, I'll get another one because I've lost most of that Banksia. Maybe we'll put it on the ground. Hang on a minute.
First experience,
Alright.
first-hand experience. Don't come and eat alive. I think we were affected by and we went to this buffet. It's not chicken, it's fish! And then we were just like sitting like this at this table.
Okay, so that's the essence of our little bundle there. But I think we need some more fine stuff. So I've actually found that this crumbly bark and the ash is really good. So I'll just take a bit of this. And this can get really fine. So I'm actually going to put it on the ground, put the nest on the ground, and then just rub this together. Crush it up as much as possible. Get that really fine powder. Pop that in the middle. And bury it into the centre. And that's pretty much what you need. Just a little nest.
Excellent.
For your fire, and then you just do the stick method, put the coal in the middle, and you're done.
Nice.
Rockin'.
Thanks, matey.